on the Ore, Jam Squeak, Arrogate, pick up Orient Pearl, and running in third, Leopardo, Mapagunwari, running by the wheel, Bumpy Road and Easter Hope. Going along for the first turn, Chance on the Ore, leads by half a length, followed by Orient Pearl from the outside. Second, Leopardo is racing third by a length, and here Bumpy Road. Here comes Easter Hope on the outside, Mapagunwari. Into the back they travel, Chance on the Ore, Orient Pearl on the outside. Orient Pearl on the outside by half a length, followed by Chance on the Ore. Leopardo sneaking by the wheel, third Easter Hope, Mapagunwari and Bumpy Road. Inside the last 600, it's still Orient Pearl leading by a length, followed now by Leopardo. Running in third, Chance on the Ore, Bumpy Road, Easter Hope, Mapagunwari. Inside the last 400, it is still Orient Pearl leading by some 2.5 lengths now. Leopardo remains in second. Towards the final turn, it is still Orient Pearl leading by some 3 lengths now. And down the stretch they go. It is still Orient Pearl racing away now by some 5. And hitting the finish line is all Orient Pearl, Leopardo, Bumpy Road, Chance on the Ore, Easter Hope, and Mapagunwari.